Hey, what's up, DLRs? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking outboard engines, and we are going to install fresh new decals to the outboard cowl. Let's get started.
We're back with you. It's been about a month. We got the cowl back, and they did an amazing job. Stripped it, painted it, clear coated it. It looks great. Up next after that, we're going to rebunk our jet ski trailer as well as reupholster a seat to a 95 Speedo XP. However, again, they did an awesome job. It is now time to install the brand new decal. Making our way around the jet ski trailer, and again, we are very pleased with the result. And when we picked it up, we took their advice because they are the pros. We did not immediately put the new decal on. The gentleman said allow the cowl to sit for about a month. That will allow the paint and clear coat to fully cure prior to putting the new decal on. And again, we did just that, and because of that, the cowl has been on the outboard engine for about a month. We've been out boating, and the cowl has some dirt, dust, and maybe some cobwebs. We are going to clean it with a microfiber cloth. Next, I grabbed two microfiber cloths. I've got one that I've applied water to, and I've got a dry one. And we are going to use the one with water, and again, clean up the cowl. Next, I will use the dry microfiber cloth to dry it. We're back with you again. We allowed the cowl to dry for about 20 minutes. We want to ensure it is fully dry prior to putting the new decal on. And from here, basically do what's called a dry run, and do not take the back portion of the decal off yet. And in our case, and in most cases, the brand should be in the center portion of the side of the cowls. And because of that, you may notice the back side here might not be perfectly center back here. However, in most cases it will be, but not always. Again, dry run, and I'm going to loop this around. And again, I just want to ensure that the Mariner word is in the center, and get a feel how it looks coming to the opposite side and looking at the back. It looks pretty sweet. That will be exciting. Again, dry run's important. Taking a step back and to another update, again, the dry run is very important. And what we did next was we grabbed some painter's tape, as you see there, on the corner edge of the workbench, and used that to hold the decal in place. Basically center the 40 and Mariner logo in the back. And I've got 3.5 inches from the top portion of the word Mariner to this point here, or bend, as well as 3.5 inches from the bottom up to this portion. And the exact placement of your decal may vary depending on the size of your cowl. However, find the exact location point you want your decal to be. And what we'll do next, we'll use additional painter's tape to basically mark where the decal needs to be. Next, what I did was apply some painter's tape. Again, I've got the position or markings and the bottom portion of the decal on the aft portion of the cowl. And then I have taped the left side or port side. And I have left the starboard side not taped, but that one piece up front. And we are going to start with the starboard side. We are going to peel it away, the back side, as you see inside there. Down below in the comments and description will be this awesome little tool. It has a soft fabric added to it, and we will use that as we take the back side of the decal off and we press the decal into the cowl to alleviate air bubbles. Camera in position in DIY is a very important step. It probably will raise your adrenaline, and because of that, I just recommend going slow. Be precise. Do not rush this. What we are going to do, I'm going to come to the back and grab this painter's tape, undo the starboard side decal, and carefully bring it back. And on the back side here is where you can begin peeling the little part away. And we're going to peel about maybe 1 inch or 2. And all I'm going to do is cut, as you see right here. And that's going to allow me to basically begin applying the decal. Tuck that back in, as you see there. Bring it around. And if you stick it to the cowl and you need to pull it back, just be very careful. Go slow. Again, ensuring everything looks good. And all I'm doing with my left finger is applying the decal to the cowl as straight and in the position that I had it marked with the painter's tape. And just slowly applying the decal and pressing out any air bubbles. Grabbing that tool and again just applying it out. And if you get an air bubble, again just ever so carefully pull the decal away and allow that air bubble to release. From here, I've got it up to the part. I'm going to reapply it around and put the painter's tape back. Make sure there's no slack. Coming around and back, and again, just go slow, be precise, do not rush anything. And we are focused on the starboard side. And the 40 as well as Mariner logo still looks center with the top opening or handle portion. And we will continue. Camera back in position, coming back and carefully undoing the painter's tape. Bringing the decal around, and we are going to begin peeling the remaining portion away. Grabbing this tool, and again just carefully applying the decal, going slow, making sure or ensuring no air bubbles. Take a step back, DIYers. We are halfway through, and so far so good. Again, the importance of being patient, going slow, being precise. Do not rush this. Making our way port side, we will begin peeling away the painter's tape that held the port side decal portion in place. And we are going to do the same thing. We are going to peel the decal back, as you see here. And I'm going to cut maybe an inch of this back side here, just being very careful. Maybe a little more, 2 to 3 inches. Do not cut your decal, that would not be good. DIYers, I've made it to the very last section or portion of the decal, and before I release this, I basically am going to lock the decal with the painter's tape on the back side, spin it around just to double check everything, because once I apply the remaining portion of the decal, That's it. No adjustments can be made. And I'm going to take this off, ensure that it is straight in between here, which it looks really good. I did my measurements. This is 7 inches, and I did the dead center of that. Back to the last portion of the decal, all looks good. I'm going to carefully peel this away and continue applying it. And you'll notice I use my finger quite a lot. It just was easier. And coming in top to bottom at an angle, applying the bottom portion of the decal first. To the front of the cowl, we have 2 additional decals, and again, we are going to shortly install the brand new acrylic lens for the oil level. And the 2 remaining decals, Mariner and 40. From here, DIYers, the decal install is complete. We are going to direct our attention to the oil level gauge, acrylic lens, and rubber seal here. And again, that goes right here. We're going to install that, show you the end result. Making progress, the acrylic lens or cover and seal are properly installed. Taking a step back in DIYers, the very last thing we are going to do is we are going to leave it right there for 24 hours. Basically, allow the adhesive on the decal to properly cure or seat to the cowl. Here in 24 hours, we'll head back to the lake and install it on the outboard.